So today we're going to be looking at a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brand new home. This home is located in the northeast side of San Antonio, Texas, out by I-10 and 1604. It is ready to move in right away. It has some pre-built, great interest rates right now, some as low as the low fives, some even the high fours, depending on how you want to use the concessions that you have, the extra money that the builder can give you. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please go ahead or follow whichever platform you're seeing this. And we're going to do a virtual walkthrough of the actual home right now so you can get it virtually. I'm standing as I just walked in the front door. So as I just walk in the front door, I'm right there. This is the living room. You can see it's a big open concept home. It's about 1,500, a little under, right in that area for square feet. That's not exactly the right square feet, but it's close. You can see it has this big open living room with the kitchen all the way through. I'm going to walk over here to the kitchen side and let you see it has a great bar. And then I'll just do a little turnaround here so you can kind of see when you turn around. We can, right there is the front door I came in. And then there's a closet right here off the front door to store for easy, like coats, anything you want to store, kids' book bags, anything like that as they come in. And then as you're going to turn this way, we'll get to these other bedrooms and other rooms and let you check them out. As we go back here, you see it does have some nice cabinetry all built in on this side, and they also have some cabinets on both sides. So you have cabinets on the right and on the left, built-in microwave, and a nice stove. This community is an electric. There's not a gas in this community. And then here, this one shows with a washer dryer. I'm sorry, not with a washer dryer, but with a refrigerator. It's early. With a refrigerator so that you can get a fridge if you need one. We can take care of that and get you set up. And as you move further in the kitchen, in the back of the kitchen, you see there's room for a full-size dining table. They call this a breakfast nook, or it could be your dining area. So that way you don't have to worry about finding another dining area. It extends through, and then you go out to the backyard. And I'll skip out here just to show you the backyard a little bit. There's not a great backyard pictures to show, but you do have fence and full sod. Some builders don't offer that, but they do fence and full sod. And then you can kind of see right here through the kitchen, looking at it this way, coming in the back door. It's a nice open concept. Here's your counters, here's your other counters, and right here is some great pantry storage space. I'm going to jump back here and head my way over this way, back into the edge of the living room. And now that we're back over here in the living room, we're going to go over here and check out this space. So what this space is, when I turn it over, let me click over to that corner. Right here, I'm going to step into this room. This is one of the bedrooms. So here's a bedroom right here. They have it set up as a cute, like pet bedroom for people who love their pets and such. And you can see it's this is a queen size bed, plenty of space, a nice closet, ready to go. It has its own window, lots of light, really fresh and bright. Then as I go here down the hall a short distance, it opens up into the master bedroom. This master is great. As you can see, it has the big kick-out bay windows. This adds an extra 20-30 square feet to the home. So it does make it awesome that way. Gives you a little extra and all this extra space and windows. So they have a king-size bed, and they have like a divan. You can sit and enjoy the window, enjoy the view. They also have their own TV screen set up. They have end tables. There's a lot of space. And the ceiling, as you can see, they have it set up with like a tray ceiling, so you can enjoy the fancy ceilings and have a nice look to your master, kind of an oasis where you can get away. Now, as you go into the bathroom here, you can see it has a sink. I'll come in a little bit so you can kind of get an idea. And this double sinks, as you can see that right there, it looks great. So it's not the sink countertop is not like a laminate. It's like a quartz type granite, depending on which type they have in. So it is not just a laminate usually. It's pretty nice. Now this one here does not have a separate tub and shower. They went with a full walk-in bathroom model instead to get rid of the tub, so they have a little more space and a bigger walk-in bathroom. And as you can see right there, of course, there's your toilet. Now the closet is great. You can say the closet goes all the way around, gives you tons of space to hang up. So you have plenty of closet space in this house. It's great. I'm going to kick back over here. And as I kick back over, I'm going to walk back through, and we're going to go out the door towards the other bedroom. So that's 2 bedrooms so far we've seen. We're going to move our way this way. We're back in the living room, of course. And then you can see here, as you go to those 2, here's a shared bathroom other than the master that the other bedrooms can share. And it also has a full tub and shower. And there's the same kind of countertop we talked about. And then right here is where You have your laundry room. So if you do need a washer dryer and a fridge, that is something we can work on getting you. If you need one, so when you move in, you have a new washer dryer and fridge. And right here's the garage. It's a 2-car full garage ready to go. And then it's all built in, and it has a nice hangers to hang your stuff when you do your laundry. There's a nice open laundry room. And then this other bedroom is very similar to the other bedroom in there. So there you go, another bedroom here. Here's the closet to walk in, ready to go. So again, this home is great. It has a single floor plan, a big open floor plan, I mean. It's 1 story, which is nice if you have any disability, anything, you don't want to go up and down stairs anymore. Like me being prime military, my knees aren't what they used to be. So I'd like to have 1 story, save on the knees in the back. Then I can keep everything simple. It's a nice open floor plan. You can cook and talk, have the kids playing. Everyone still has their private space. And then you have this brand new, beautiful home. All homes come with a 1-year everything covered warranty if anything breaks, a 2-year if anything like plumbing, electrical, anything else, and then a 10-year to cover foundation and roof. Now, of course, if you trip and fall through the wall and can get angry and punch the wall, they're not going to fix that. So use common sense. Don't be ridiculous. And then you're going to be good to go. Hope you enjoyed the tour. This home is going for right around $285,000 or so. Roughly that breaks down to numbers wise, right around $18,000 to $2,000 a month. So $1,800 to $2,000 a month is what you can get this brand new home with a 10-year warranty. And then if you need a home warranty to cover the other years, we can get that as part of the deal and get you a home warranty. I'm going to have a direct link to the home below so you can look at actual pictures as well and walk through without the furniture. This is staged, of course. You can look at without the furniture to see what it looks like when it's not staged. And reach out to me for more info. My website link is right there for the direct home link. Also, you can reach out to me directly through, just leave a comment, anything like that. I got you. Talk to you soon.